What is up, guys? So today is the time of the week again where I go through GJ to see potentially where it wants to go for the upcoming week. So starting off the monthly time frame, as you can see, we are 2 days away before the monthly candle close, and usually at the end of the month the volume is quite weird and we tend to see some whipsaws, so be careful. Right, so starting off the monthly, once again looking at the current price action, you can see price is currently rejecting this level right here. And if you go to the weekly time frame, what do we see? You can see that previous weekly candle actually rejected this key level of support, meaning to say this key level is very strong. Going down to the day time frame, what do we see? You can see price rejected and found resistance right here. Looking left, you can see it 150,500 is a key level because we have rejections here, right here, and so on and so forth, right? So to me now, what is GJ doing on the daily time frame is sort of in a consolidation range. Why? Because it created both support and resistance. You can see this is your key support, key resistance, and this is your key support. So price might start to range if it continues hitting both resistance and support, and with no volume we might get consolidation. So take only high probability trades, hopefully a candle closure above one of these levels. So if candles were to break 151,500, I could see it coming up back to 153,300, which is the swing high of the daily overall market structure. Let me explain. Because if you look at the overall market structure on the daily time frame, it's in a downtrend, right? We are creating lower highs and lower lows, right? And this is the swing high. If this swing high isn't broken, it's still in a downtrend, right? You can see if this swing high isn't broken, we are still in a downtrend. Even so, if price were to come up here and break this level, then I would say maybe the overall market structure is transitioning from a downtrend to a uptrend. So with that, I would look for buys above 151,500, anticipating to reach the key level at 153,300. And for sells, I will wait for a support to break below 150.600. Going down to 4-hour time frame to adjust my levels. Let me just adjust my levels real quick. You can see we have bring this down. You can see we have this potential range to fill if we break this key level at 150,500. So I will look for sells potentially below this level to come down to 149,200, which is the key level of support that price may retest once again, because whenever a level breaks, it will always, more likely than not, approach to the next level. So that's for sells, and looking for buys above 151,500 to maybe potentially reach 153,300, which is the previous daily swing high. So yeah, going down to 1 hour to adjust my levels once again. You can see we have this range to fill for sells, and for buys, looking left, we don't really have clean candles to the left. So maybe if I bring my H1 levels up, we might get some buys above 151,700. So that's how I like to adjust my levels as I go down in the lower time frames, because it will then be more precise. So 30 minutes, right? You can see around 151,700. Anything above that, we could see GJ retest the daily highs. So yeah, that's a quick overview of GJ. So hope you guys understood how the overall market structure is right now. We're still in a bearish trend, and looking at how price is rejecting key level of support at 149,200, we might see some reversal happening potentially. But then again, we are 2 days away from the monthly close, which has it tends to have very low volume and occasional whipsaw. So be very careful trading in the last 2 days and even the new monthly candle. So yeah, hope you guys understood all of that, and hope to see you guys at the next one. So please take care.